Foul him, clean him up. Head straight, low full toss. You miss, I hit. He's happy. He's very happy. His first wicket. Not before they've done some damage. It's been a terrific partnership.
Well, this youngster has got the scalp of Stevens and then some celebration, some joy.
He's here because of this.
Tashkeen Ahmed, he's just 17 years old. That's well bowled, right on the stumps. Right arm fast medium, he bats left-handed. 9 first-class matches, 20 wickets. Really is very young.
He's got a good height. Tashkeen Ahmed, 17 years of age, so he'll go.
Really, that's it. Good, easy action. Good follow-through. Keeping it on the stumps, not getting phased. Let's take a look at his action. He's holding the seam, his 2 fingers. Semi-open. Yeah, he's good prospect. He looks good with that action.
Yeah, he certainly looks good.
Oh, there's a bit of hesitation. That could have been interesting.
Marshall Ayub, the fielder. Got a good bounce. Good carry. Oh, Derek Head would have been very, very interesting. He knows it too. But to take those chances, you don't often get that. When you get an opportunity, you've got to make sure that you hit the stumps.
Now he's bowling to Dilshan. Will that take its toll mentally? Will that affect him? Oh, brilliant. Working up some pace as well. 120 plus, 122 actually. But it's skidded past him.
It went so close, it went inside the gap between the bat and the pad. I don't know, he was trying to play it towards the offside, but it went through and went pretty close to the off stump. I think this is a good start for the youngster.
Again well bowled, straight on the stumps. No room to maneuver for Dilshan. That's exactly. Well bowled. Wonderful beginning.
In fact, he'll be batting down the order and not opening the batting, Ashraful. But the Chittagong Kings, on the other hand, relieved. They're relieved that they've... The timing isn't great from Dilshan, but this outfield is very quick. Best in the sense...
One of the changes that the Kings have made has been enforced with Brendan Taylor, one of their leading batsmen in the tour. A couple of matches.
Picks it up, Dilshan. Finds the middle of the bat for a change. Short boundary, that's in. He's picked up 6, in fact.
Yeah, that's the side that batsmen have tended to target today. And Dilshan with lots of bottom hand. Both hands right up the top of the handle as well, giving him tons of leverage. Just clubbing it, brutalising the ball over the onside. He just cleared the boundary.
Good comeback. Gave him length, gave him the opportunity to get under.
Relatively speaking, in Bangladesh, not as hot as it can get at certain other times of the year.
Wonderful shot. That's Tilakratne Dilshan's area. There was not much weight.
Such an aggressive player. Oh, he gets a play and a miss from Stevens. Young man Tashkeen.
Well, all that stretching helped, obviously. He's got it in just outside that line of the off stump.
That's more like it. That's where you can control it. Attack the stumps. Right length. This will be interesting now. Shakib Al Hasan. That's well bowled. The slower delivery. That's what it's all about. Staying one step ahead of each other. Batsman is trying to target the bowler. Young. Superb delivery.
Angling in. It's like temperatures. It's 10 degrees outside, feels like 5 when there's a chill.
Can't get him away. This is a comeback over for Chittagong after the 18. Oh, well bowled, young man. What a super.
Scoring. But once again, that was a good over, courtesy a boundary by Shakib Al Hasan. But Stevens is on the strike.
Tashkin back in the attack has been quite impressive with the youngster. Foul him, clean him up. Head straight, low full toss. You miss, I hit. And he's happy. He's very happy. His first wicket. Not before they've done some damage. It's been a terrific partnership.
Well, this youngster has got the scalp of Stevens and then some celebrations, some joy.
He's here because of this. Yeah, it's a good delivery. And from a youngster. That's sloppy. Will you get Shakib Al Hasan on strike? Have another look up this wicket. Real time.
Got that jerk in his wrist, which gives the extra pace to his delivery. It was far too good for Stevens. Now, for the sake of this match, this is certainly good. The Mashrafi Murtaza is out there in the middle. He can use a long handle, two-step journey that could be for them.
What a lovely touch that is. Deft touch. He's a class act. Shakib Al Hasan gets everyone on their feet. What a lovely touch that is.
So delicate, a little bit of wrist, but he was so sure that the moment it left the bat, he just turned behind to notice and confirm that this is going towards the boundary line. Shakib Al Hasan on it.
Makes room. Nicely bowled by the youngster.
Got his confidence as a boost back. Oh, right into the block hole, and yes, here he will go. Not bold, but at the non-striker end. Will take that. Taskeen in any way. Mashrafi Murtaza gone.
Yeah, they won't mind that because that will give an opportunity for Shakib Al Hasan to take strike. Yeah, he was actually looking at his bat. What a shot! Has he got any bat on that? No, it's a wide. But it was really cheeky.
That is not an ideal thing for an artistic impression, but still the most unusual and ugliest of the manner. It remained away from Shakib Al Hasan. No need to.
That's well bowled and really nicely played. There will be a fielder to pick.